Okay, get ready to revisit one of the most electrifying chapters in American college history. Today, we are speaking with the author of a novel set during the culturally explosive years of 1968 to 1971 to tell us more about It's All Greek to Me, A Tale of Dawning and Passion, is author Dr. Stephen Hoag. Doctor, welcome back to the show.
Pleasure to be here.
Congratulations on the new book.
Thank you.
Tell us what it's all about.
Unlike the other books that I've done, this one's tough to discuss in a simple definition, but in essence, college campuses changed, culturally, politically, during that period of time. Through the 60s, there was change in every part of our American society, and the American dream changed. When those high school kids came to college, there was a lot of other elements involved. The advent of the selective service, Vietnam, hence, if you didn't perform well in college, draft board would find out and hello military.
Yeah.
That pressed a lot of people to decide to go to college, the males especially, and it didn't give time for people to really think with any degree of discernment on why am I here. So there was a lot of turmoil, a lot of questions, and the research that I had done for many, many years was, students were students and they discussed things. Then the discussion during this period was a lot about life and death.
Yeah.
What do I do? How do I get help? I can't afford to flunk biology. I can't afford to do this. And, there was a lot of issues.
And your book, obviously, in the title, it says it's a lot about Greek life, which kind of started exploding during that time as well.
Yeah, I mean, because of that whole time, people reached out in a very dramatic way for connection. It wasn't enough just to have a roommate or a buddy. Now you needed support. The fraternities and sororities of that time were multi-layered organizations, and it wasn't party hardy and keggers. It was about, we got to help someone get through a course. We got to help someone navigate where they're going after graduation. So it became a lot more unifying. And what was not surprising was in the research, how many of these sisters of sororities, they've stayed together all these years.
Yeah, it is amazing.
They communicate, I mean, big time. In our launch, or the Jill's, you will see a table there of those organizations.
Oh, great.
So the Good Sisters of Iota Kappa Tau,
They're going to be there.
Oh.
Well, what I love is that your book is fiction, but it's based so much on real historical events, so it's very interesting. We do have to go to break, but tell us quickly about that event coming up in September, your exciting book launch. People can come and check it out. Yeah,
it's the 18th of September, and it's open to the public. And like most of Jill's launches, the ones especially she does for me, it's themed. So when you walk into the library, restaurant, and bistro in Wallingford on Main Street, you're walking into a fraternity house.
I love it.
An elegant one, not Animal House stuff, but the banners, the drinks.
Well, it sounds fabulous. You should certainly be very proud. We're going to have all the details for people if they'd like to come to that.
Absolutely.
On our website, WTNH.com. They can find out more about you on your website, StephenWHoag.com. Doctor, thanks so much.